Okay, if you decide to get the Aligner Care by Crest, it comes in a nice box like this. Is deep cleaning tablets, protect my device, antibacterial cleaning for aligner, retainer, or mouth guards. It's fresh mint. I did try it and it did an awesome job. So I tell you a little more inside. It kills 99.9 causing order bacteria. I'll tell you a little more about it. In the end of this video, I will do a quick one cleaning my aligners. So let me show you how they come. It comes in packages like this. You can see here. Okay. And the instructions are on the side. So basically you get a tablet and you put in a little cup of water. You let it dissolve, put your aligners in it. Make sure it's warm water. Make sure it's warm water. And basically it tells you right here, once you're done with everything, you rinse it and you pour it out and you wash it. So it's pretty quick directions. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Check it out. Okay. Get a little warm. This is the tablet itself. Drop it in. You can smell the mint already. Okay. Get my liner and my chewing tool. Drop it in. Approximately leave it 3 minutes. This will kill all your bacteria. I once left it for at least an hour. The thing itself turned white again, like water. The blue went away. It was crazy. But now I leave for 3 minutes and your liner should be nice and clean. I put my chewing tool in there because I do chew on it, so it needed to get clean too, take the bacteria off it. Otherwise, you leave it in there, you see it sizzling. Usually once the tablet is done, it's clean. So approximately 3 minutes. Don't drink it. Just for cleaning purposes only. The tablet is still going. Smells very good, very minty. Approximately 1 more minute. Tablet is pretty much gone. Okay, so now take it out. My liners. Give it a rinse. And there you go. Very clean. Very clean. Awesome.